Hi, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Yakima Baseline Jetstream roof rack system for the 2013 through 2018 Acura RDX with a bare roof. This system comprises three components, starting with the baseline towers, set of 4, and the Jetstream load bars, set of 2, available in silver or black, and 2 sets of 2 of the base pad and clip sets. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the Jetstream load bars. Here we've cut down this one so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. The shape is designed to minimize wind noise and wind drag. There is a track that runs along the top of the bar that enables the attachment of certain accessories and carriers directly to the top for a very clean integrated attachment method. On the underside of the bar is another track, which is where the tower is attached. Alongside the track are measurement numbers that correspond to numbers that are shown in the instruction sheet to guide you in the correct positioning of each tower on the bar. The tower itself has multiple adjustments in order to get a very custom fit on the vehicle. To access those adjustments, you first remove the outer cover with pressing the 3 dots on either side to take the cover off. Within the tower, you have a hatch that you pull back against, which exposes the fastener that holds the tower to the bar. That fastener serves that purpose, plus it allows for the pitch of the bar so that it will compensate for curved roof lines. Also on the underside is a toe, and the toe allows for the adjustment of the base pad and clip set so that that will match the curvature of the roof as well. We can go ahead and demonstrate that. This is a tool that's included with the towers that will tighten and loosen all of the fasteners. So here you can see with it loose, you can make that adjustment so that it'll match the curvature of the roof line. And then if you were to tighten it, the tool, once it's reached full tightness, will click, and that indicates that you've tightened it completely. Now the other fasteners involve the clip. So here at the top you have a fastener which, when you tighten, it will pull in the clip against the door frame, and then under the hatch is another fastener that you tighten, and that pulls the clip upward against the door frame. So altogether, this makes for a very custom and secure fit to the vehicle. Now I can go ahead and put the cover back into place. And with that cover in place, you'll notice here there's a plastic plug. And that plastic plug can be exchanged for a Yakima SKS lock core. And that lock core is sold separately in matched sets, so you can have all 4 of your tower covers locked with the same key number. It can also be expanded to other carriers that are part of the SKS system that you may have attached to the roof rack as well. Okay, so those are all the main features of the Yakima Baseline Jetstream roof rack system. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. If you have any questions or comments about this particular system, feel free to leave those in the comment section below. And consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. That's all for this one, and thanks for watching.